Heavy-duty hand trucks are an essential tool for moving heavy loads with ease. There are many products available to choose heavy-duty hand trucks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best heavy-duty hand trucks from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Virgo Industrial Convertible Hand Truck. The Virgo Industrial AS7A2 is a 3-in-1 convertible hand truck that can be easily transformed into a 4-wheel platform cart or 4-wheel assisted mode. It has a large nose plate with extender to handle a wide range of items, and is made of reinforced aluminum, which is lighter than steel and rust-resistant. The hand truck features 2 large 10 pneumatic wheels and 5 flat free swivel caster wheels that provide superior mobility while transporting items. With a weight capacity of 500 pounds in 2-wheel mode and 750 pounds in 4-wheel mode. Number 2. Lidl-Way Convertible Hand Truck. The Lidl-Way hand truck offers reliable tire design with pneumatic front wheels and solid rear wheels for stability. Its folding clip and double protection feature ensures ease of use. The quick opening and closing mechanism allows for efficient operation. Additionally, the folding design enables convenient storage. This hand truck's expand usage mode with aluminum alloy body provides durability and a high weight capacity, making it ideal for various tasks. Number 3. Hand Truck 3-in-1 Convertible Hand Truck. SHZOND Convertible Hand Truck is a versatile tool that can carry up to 660 pounds in 2-wheel mode and 1,000 pounds in 4-wheel mode. It can transform from a hand truck to a utility cart effortlessly, saving you the hassle of multiple devices. Whether you're moving heavy items at home or work, this hand truck can be easily converted with one hand to suit your needs. The heavy-duty wheels ensure smooth movement, making transportation. Number 4. 330 lb Folding Hand Truck Heavy-Duty Carrying. This folding hand truck is made of aluminum alloy and plastic, and can carry up to 330 pounds. It has 4 wheels that can hold 330 pounds and 2 wheels that can hold 220 pounds. The portable hand truck has 5 solid rubber flat-free tires and can be converted from a 4-wheel cart to a 2-wheel cart in seconds. It can fold flat for easy transport and storage. Number 5. Dolly Cart 309 pounds Aluminum Folding Hand Truck. Provo Folding Hand Truck is a versatile and sturdy cart designed for your convenience. With 2 swivel handles covered with soft rubber foam, it eliminates the need to bend over, saving your back. Made of lightweight aluminum, it can carry up to 309 pounds, making it perfect for moving boxes, garden soil, or luggage. Easily foldable and compact, it's ideal for home or office use. No assembly is required, just unfold, load, and start moving within seconds. Tilt the cart backward for smooth transportation, while keeping it balanced for longevity.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.